Cette femme a changé d'identité pour un cochon. Un cochon contre un nom, c'est ce qu'a proposé l'artiste danois Christian Hanslet aux 400 habitants de Butayungura en Ouganda. Pari réussi, désormais le village a été rebaptisé Hanslet, comme la plupart de ses habitants.
These are the IDs indicating the members of the Hanslet Village Project, the pioneers. There are 110 members who were the first to register into the project. These are the ones these are their bearers. These members have got the Hanslet as their middle name. For example, this guy is called Nakwasi Hanslet Robert, and this is called Nansamba Hanslet Ruth. It was a free trade with Christian Hanslet. He gave us his name, we gave him our names. He's called Christian Hanslet Birungi. Birungi means good things.
Ce projet artistique provocateur tente de démontrer que l'aide humanitaire n'est pas totalement gratuite. Pour Christian Hanslet, c'est un néocolonialisme qui entretient des liens de dépendance entre les donateurs et les bénéficiaires. Mais pour les villageois, peu importe le projet de l'artiste, ce qui compte, ce sont les cochons.
Why have you got the name Hanslet?
Because of getting these animals to remove from poverty. And now I'm rich, I think I've seen each and everything. Things are also, the animals are still behind there. Yeah. Even the cows are there.
Le gouvernement ougandais a d'abord soutenu ce projet humanitaire. Il a donné les autorisations nécessaires avant de se rétracter.
We've been recipients of aid for years and years. This was the first time we were seeing a situation where, a conditionality which was crazy and therefore not very acceptable. We saw it as a form of abuse. Because if you want to help, if you genuinely want to help, you don't set those conditions. And we didn't think that was proper. But when we also looked at his background, he's not the type you would describe as a man of integrity. And why should the country associate with that sort of person when clearly we know that it would be more harmful with his aid and the country would do without, to be honest. And so we stopped him because we didn't think there was any use at all.
Le ministre a fait expulser Christian Hanslet et l'a déclaré persona non grata en Ouganda. Il affirme aussi que son gouvernement a pris des mesures pour éviter les gaspillages de l'aide internationale, mais pour les habitants, il n'est pas de bonne foi.
The central government, the government of ours, failed to do the work which we are doing, uplifting the people from poverty to prosperity. So we were playing the position which the government would have played, so it felt envious to us.
L'Ouganda reçoit chaque année près d'1 milliard de dollars d'aide étrangère, soit près de la moitié de son budget. Autant d'argent gaspillé selon l'organisation Transparency International qui dénonce la corruption du gouvernement. De leur côté, les habitants d'Hanslet continuent discrètement leur projet. Les cochons se reproduisent et nourrissent les villageois qui en font des brochettes.